This lesson we will start to factorize monic and non-monic quadratic trinomials. This consists of solving the quadratic equation with the coefficient of any integer with non-monic equations and monic equations consisting of an equation with the coefficient of x squared being 1. Example 1. You are given the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Before starting to solve this equation, we know that x squared is equal to 1x squared. To solve this monic quadratic equation, we have to multiply the two coefficient terms on the outside, which are 1 and 6, and add the factors of that number, which will give you the coefficient of the exponumeral, or 5 for this instance. So you will have to write the expanded version like this: x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. As you can see, 1 times 6 is 6, and using the factors of 6, we get two factors that add up to 5, which are 2 and 3. Now we can simplify the equation and get x plus 2, as x is the highest common factor between these two terms, plus 3 x plus 2, which equals 0, as 3 is the highest common factor between these two terms. And the final answer will be x plus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. As we want to find out what the value of x is equal to, we say that x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is because if we divide both sides by x plus 3, we still get 0 on the right hand side. Vice versa if we do the same with x plus 2. So then we get x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Example 2. So you are given the expression x squared plus 8x plus 10 equals minus 6. So what you have to do to solve this equation is first add 6 to both sides to make the right hand side equal to 0. So you get x squared plus 8x plus 16, as you have added 6 to 10, equals 0. To solve this quadratic equation, you have to find two factors of 16 that add up to 8. These two factors are 4 and 4. So to write the expression in expanded form, you would write x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 equals 0. And if you simplify this, you get x plus 4 is equal to 0. And if you want to find out the values for x, you say x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. So then you know that x equals negative 4 and x equals negative 4. So your final answer would be x is equal to negative 4. You are given the equation 5x squared minus 50x plus 80 is equal to 0. As you can see, there is a common factor between all the coefficients. The highest common factor is 5, so you can factorize this by factorizing the whole equation by 5. So you get the equation 5x squared minus 10x plus 16 equals 0. So if you simplify this equation, you'll get the expanded version of 5x squared minus 8x minus 2x plus 16 equals 0. This is because the two factors of 16 that add up to negative 10 is negative 8 and negative 2. So you know that negative 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 10. If you simplify the expanded version, you will get the expression 5x minus 2 x minus 8, which equals 0. That is why you get the final answer of x equals 2 and x equals 8. Example 4. You are given the non-monic equation of 3x squared plus 19x plus 20 is equal to 0. As you can see, you cannot simplify this expression by taking out a common factor, as they have no common factors besides from 1. Then to solve this non-monic equation, you will have to multiply the two outside coefficients, which are 3 and 20, and use the factors of that number to add up to 19. So if you write down the expanded version, you will get 3x squared plus 4x plus 15x plus 20 is equal to 0. As you can see, 4 and 15 are factors of 60, which is 3 times 20, and 4 and 15 also add up to 19. If you simplify this, you will get 3x plus 4 x plus 5, which equals 0, to be equal to minus 4 over 3 and x equals minus 5. This lesson, you have learned how to solve monic and non-monic quadratic equations. Thank you.